for this tiny plant? Well, if like me, you like making terrariums, that is pretty pricey. Is there a way you can make babies from these little guys so you can have your own stock of succulents for your terrarium? Let's find out. Succulent refers to a group of plants with fleshy leaves that thrive in dry, sunny conditions. This makes them perfect for low-maintenance terrariums that can be grown in full sunlight. I'm going to use this little tray for starting plants, but use cactus soil with it. The difference between cactus soil and regular soil is that it has a lot more sand, so it dries very quickly. I mentioned this before, the thing that kills succulents and cactus the quickest is having their roots wet. So you want to make sure you get the moisture away from them as soon as possible. So I'll put some soil in here. I'm going to show you how you separate the offsets or the babies from this plant. You take it out of the pot. You notice the soil is really dry. I'm slowly going to add a little bit of pressure just to loosen the soil, and I start prying them gently apart. You want to have as much of the root system stay intact as possible. Let's take a look. Oh, it's got a nice little piece of root right there. Even this little guy's got a good root. And you can see new babies are forming. Maybe this one is too soon to separate, but and you can see how the root is sending off new shoots. So I'll separate these, and here I have a tray where I've planted the individual ones separately. So you can just use cactus soil, fill it up, and just place them in, tuck them in gently. To make stem cuttings of this plant, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is take a scissor, maybe find a bit of it that has a branch, you snip that off, and you put it in soil. Again, look for a section that has a nice branching look so it looks good, and all you do is put it in the soil. Maybe a little bit of mist at the beginning, and watering them once a week. That should do it for your stem cuttings. So these are stem cuttings that I put down a few weeks ago. And you can see they already have a good root system on them and would be ready for planting in a dish garden soon. Our third method uses these plants with fleshy leaves, and we'll just lay them on top of soil, and new babies will sprout where the leaves touch the soil. Leaf propagation is as simple as just putting down leaves on top of soil. Again, you don't want to make it too wet because these leaves will actually sprout in dry conditions. They have all the water they need inside, and over here you can see how babies form at the base of each leaf. Once the baby is big enough, you can just separate it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helps you propagate some succulents for your terrariums. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this about printed and planted botanical art. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Also, there's going to be additional information in the description below the video. See you next time.